Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply exchange your Tron to BNB in Trust Wallet. It's quite easy. Your first step is to get yourself some BNB. That's the Binance Smart Chain, and you can do so by using the toggle at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this toggle and search for BNB. By doing so, you're met with the beacon chain and the smart chain. Select the smart chain as we're going to need some of its tokens for transaction fees. That's the gas fees we're going to be paying. And if you do not have this smart chain, simply click on the buy option. And by doing this, you simply enter an amount of the BNB you wish to buy. Proceed to add your card. It could be your MasterCard or your debit card. Okay guys, and once you've been able to get yourself some Smart Chain BNB, simply head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once at the browser section, scroll down till you find the Pancake Swap. Click on this Pancake Swap and you're taken to pancakeswap.finance. Here all you need to do is simply click on the wallet connect icon here and simply connect your wallet. Mine is connected already, so all you need to do is simply tap on the connect option. Okay guys, and once you've done this, once you're on the Pancake Swap, click on where we have the cake and select or search for TRX. And this TRX is the Tron. So click on this BEP20 Tron, that's this Tron here without the white symbol. Click on this Tron now and simply enter an amount of the Tron you wish to swap. So let's say we want to work with 15 of the Tron. Now all we need to do is simply enter the amount we wish to swap and simply click on the swap option that will be shown down here. And then once you've done that, the Tron will then be converted to BNB and deposited in your wallet. So guys, another method of getting yourself some BNB by swapping or converting your Tron is by simply sending any of your Tron. Let's say the Tron on the TRC20 network, that's the native Tron. This token can be sent on the TRC20 network by simply clicking on this Tron and clicking on the send option. By doing this, you're going to be sending your available Tron to either a centralized exchange for swapping, seeing as you can't really do that. And you can simply send your Tron from here to a centralized exchange. And this can be done by simply clicking on the send option and entering an address and an amount of Tron. You can get all of the following information from your Binance. So simply open up your Binance. And once Binance has opened up, the step you're going to be taking at first is getting yourself an account. So if you do not have an account on Binance, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, stand a chance to gain 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, the next step now is to click on this deposit icon. And by selecting the deposit, simply search for TRX. And the Tron we are looking for is this. Click on this Tron. Click on the network we're sending it in, and that's the TRC20. Click on this, copy this address, minimize, open up your Trust Wallet once more, and paste the address on Trust Wallet. Enter the amount of Tron you wish to send or convert, and click on the continue option and proceed to pay the gas fees that follow. So guys, once you've done this, once your Tron has then been deposited on Binance, simply do a reload and head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now at the bottom right corner of the screen, scroll from your overview to your spot wallet or your funding, depending on where your Tron is stored, and simply scroll to the home option or select the home option. Once you've done this, click on this convert icon right here. And now by doing so, you could simply click on this BNB and search for TRX, click on the Tron and click on the BNB, enter the amount of Tron you wish to convert, click on the preview conversion option and simply click on convert. So guys, that's how you can simply exchange your Tron to BNB on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, do comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.